I've made this mini gift bag as a wedding favour, and I want to make a thank you label to go on it that matches the rest of my wedding items. Going to New Design, I alter my roll size to 25mm and then my label to 80mm. Now I'm starting my design, typing my message, changing the font and adjusting the size. I need to leave a small space to the left to punch a hole to attach the tag to the ribbon. I select Art and then Flowers 3 to get some images that match the other wedding items I've created. I'm just going to duplicate these images and resize and reposition. Peel off the backing and stick the label to a slightly larger piece of card. Punch a hole in one end and tie the label to the bag with the ribbon. The Brother printer is so great for this because I can resize and duplicate any elements I want to use. It means I can design and tie together all the different items for a perfectly coordinated wedding, from invitations to place settings, table plans, favours and much more, and I can print as many as I want.